So today, what did we do today, babe?
What did we do today?
We got a new battery for the bus.
What did today even start?
We had to buy a new battery just to get the bus out of the lot. I made a new seat cover.
Packing everything, cleaned everything in the house, had a metal breakdown, went for a run.
I made a new seat cover for my scooter seat. And then we came back and started this project. Tasia and her sisters. Tasia got electrocuted today. But Tasia and her sister have a salon and Reiki business. So they wanted to finish their floors. And they have this awesome elephant head coming together. We've been just mosaic tiling this whole thing down. It's like
11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock.
I'm ordering Domino's.
We've been working on it for probably like three hours, and we're ordering Domino's. Our backs are hurting.
Yeah, 3 hours.
But we've made a lot of progress in 3 hours, so killing it. And we're back on the GoPro. We actually lost the GoPro for a bit. We didn't know where it was, but we found it when we went climbing in Idaho. So now everything's going to be a lot easier to film. Alright, so it's been a minute since we've done anything on the bus. Been really busy, going on vacations and everything like that. But
too much fun.
Today we have our buddy Hunter.
What's up?
Me and Tasia. We're gonna pull out all this top layer of sheet metal here, take razors around the windows, take all these bolts out, and try popping all of them out to put new silicone in them, because we found a few leaks that we noticed. Our insulation getting a little worn out, and we definitely don't want to finish the whole build with a shoddy seal job, so we're gonna start pulling everything out and painting it white, and then painting the whole thing rainbow. And today we're trying out our swamp cooler too. We got gifted a swamp cooler from Tasia's parents, and hopefully it runs on the solar generator that we got, the Goal Zero 1250. But today we kind of just got it set up in the back of the bus, running a little bit of cool air for the project, and feels like it is working a little bit. So that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully this project doesn't take us more than a couple days to do. Definitely want to get these windows out and sealed. So we got 2 windows out. Second window, we just found some nasty gum stuck up underneath it. This cord probably attaches to the tamper alarm switch or something like that, it looks like. So we might just detach that, or we might keep it in. I don't know, but we're gonna get all this cleaned up, put some work into this thing so we got stop getting water leaking. I better help Hunter here. Yeah, there's no screws, it's just silicone. So we might have to cut the outside too. Day 2, window sealing. Got Caden here to help, Hunter's back, and we got a shit ton more silicone and way more razor blades, rise up lights. So we're a lot more prepared today. We put the swamp cooler up a little bit higher so we can actually feel the effects of it, and it is nice. So the video kind of cut off where we finished with the windows, but this is what they look like. We went around and got them all clean. Well, not clean, we kind of need to wash them before we start painting, but we're gonna paint everything white before we do rainbow. I think they look pretty good though. It's definitely gonna hold better than what was in there. And so yeah, we finished that job, and then I went and got all this insulation right here. I tie everything onto the roof with the slack line because it's basically a big tie down. We've got all this scrap insulation for 25 bucks. It was a company's end pieces that they were selling for super cheap, and it's probably plenty for what we need it for. We're just gonna go around the tops and put new insulation where that yellow stuff is. So I don't know if we've showed you guys, but the ceiling of the bus is rhino lined. There's a couple pieces that are peeling off, but most of it's protected by this liner, which is
This is where we rip the wires off and pull.
decent.
Do the bubbles. The bubbles.
Halfway done. Now we just gotta cut a bunch of strips to fit into here.
And we fit it all in one trash bag.
Bada boom.
Boom.
Alright, we got like half the bus done. We're just cutting them in 26-inch pieces, like 27 inches, and then ripping them in thirds and putting 3 pieces in each window. And it looks like we're gonna have plenty of insulation for this job and probably the rest of our walls and the other projects that we're working on, so super stoked. Look at this girl working hard.
I hate insulation.
She hates insulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only need 5 more of those. Special delivery. It's like cotton candy. Hey,
Itchy as fuck.
that's what I was gonna say.
Itchy cotton candy. Look at how good it looks though. It
Yeah.
was all like, had all these big gaps, and now it's just.
We're gonna have some killer insulation.
We are both, is it slow? Or like
No,
a normal time?
It's good, yeah.
It's normal time?
Yeah.
Okay. We are so itchy, and I hate installations, but it looks so good. But we're gonna go and shower and change and then put the metal back on. Because over it.
Over the itch.
Until we do the walls. Can't wait to be Can't wait to be totally done with insulation.
Yep. I'm gonna go clean off. Alright, excuse the sweat. We're all a mess right now, but finally got a day that cooled off just a little bit with a little bit of rain. and then it just got hot again. We got Taja's friend Austin came over to help us today. I gotta get all these panels back up. We're one side down,
So they can't cut me anymore?
one side to go. Taja already got a battle wound from today. Scraper, ow baby. But we're getting through it. Finally get done with this video soon. Alright, so we got both the sides up. We're gonna have to clean it all later and scrape all the numbers when we paint everything in here, but first step is to do that. Kind of backtracked a while, but now we're getting to putting our walls back up. Super excited about that. We've got them all pretty much chalked out where they need to be on the ceiling and tagged up for where they need to go. We've done this all before. I don't know if we're gonna be fully level because we're sitting on a slant and me and Taja aren't that straight thinking anyway, so I mean, makes our bust look quirky, but we'll try to line it up as close as we can. We got some wonky boards anyway, so we're gonna have some wall shifting going on. Looking cool though. Super excited. Get rid of this. We're not going to use this piece for the back anymore. For behind the bed, we wanted to figure out something for armoire that pulls up and down. But we're going to look for something that fits better inside of these holes. Maybe two of them or one of them, who knows. But that's kind of where we're at with that. Back to work on the bus. We're super stoked.